wire from the coil pack right to the ECU, and it's running on 8 cylinders again. We'll see how long this lasts for. Purrs like a kitten.